Real World English.
In morning, before school.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, Mom, I slept well.
What did you dream about?
I dreamed about school.
Are you feeling fresh?
A little sleepy, but okay.
Do you want breakfast now?
Yes, please.
Tea or milk?
I want milk.
Do you want bread or rice?
Bread, please.
Do you want some fruit?
Yes, I like apples.
Are you ready for school?
Not yet, I need to pack my bag.
Where is your homework?
It's in my bag.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yes, I did.
Which dress do you want to wear?
I want the pink one.
Do you want help with your hair?
Yes, please.
Should I make 2 braids or 1 ponytail?
One ponytail.
Where are your shoes?
They are under the bed.
Did you pack your lunch?
Not yet, Mom.
Do you want an egg sandwich?
Yes, I love it.
Do you want water in your bottle?
Yes, please fill it.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I am ready.
Did you take your umbrella?
Oh, I forgot.
Do you need some pocket money?
Yes, please give me.
In after-school afternoon.
How was school today?
It was good.
What did you learn today?
I learned new words.
Did you eat your lunch?
Yes, I ate all of it.
Did you play with your friends?
Yes, we played football.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah.
Did the teacher give homework?
Yes, some math homework.
Do you need help with homework?
Yes, please help me.
Which subject is hard for you?
Math is hard.
Do you like reading stories?
Yes, very much.
Should I read a story for you?
Yes, please, Mom.
In the evening.
Are you hungry?
A little.
Do you want snacks?
Yes, some biscuits.
Do you want juice or water?
Juice, please.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes, I did.
Do you want to watch TV?
Yes, for some time.
Which cartoon do you like?
I like Tom and Jerry.
Do you want to draw?
Yes, I love drawing.
Which color do you like most?
I like blue.
Do you want to go outside to play?
Yes, can I go now?
Will you come back before dark?
Yes, Mom.
In dinner time.
Are you ready for dinner?
Yes, I am hungry.
Do you want rice or bread?
Rice, please.
Do you like chicken curry?
Yes, it's tasty.
Do you want salad too?
Yes, I like cucumber.
Do you want more food?
No, I am full.
Did you drink water?
Not yet.
Shall I give you some fruits?
Yes, some mango, please.
Did you enjoy dinner?
Yes, very much.
Do you want dessert?
Yes, ice cream.
Only a little, okay?
Okay, Mom.
In night bedtime.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished it.
Do you want me to check it?
Yes, please.
Are you tired now?
Yes, a little.
Do you want to take a shower?
Yes, before sleeping.
Which pajamas do you want?
The blue ones.
Do you want me to sing a song?
Yes, a soft song.
Do you want the light on or off?
A little light on.
Did you say your prayers?
Yes, I did.
Do you love me?
Yes, I love you so much.
Good night, my dear.
Good night, Mom.